Power tracks are getting more popular these days, and today I'm sharing with you about the Line8 power track system. When you first pick up the Line8 power track, the first impression is about how premium it feels, how metallic and how cold it is, yet it has this lightness to it. It's made of aluminium, aerospace grade nonetheless, and it has this brush finish that is going on the front, the sides, and even the back. On top of that, there's this very highly polished accent that is going around in the middle. Very premium indeed. The plugs or adapters come in this transparent display box. It has a QR code to scan on the front, 3 years warranty, and some product information. It also has a see-through case, so you can actually see which model you're getting. The adapter itself is interesting. It has a very highly polished ring that catches the light, and also a Line8 logo that is very subtle and in a way that in certain angles it will catch the light. The whole adapter is finished in this satin matte black finish. It's very minimalist, doesn't really catch too much attention, yet looking very premium indeed. The main feature of this power track is that you are able to add and move sockets anywhere that you want. So it's done in this fashion. It just goes into the track almost effortless. A little twist and a pull on the switch ring will switch the entire system on. So this is how we install an additional socket onto the power track system. Imagine you have this running against the wall, and now you can add on as many sockets as you want anywhere along the track. You can add no less than 14 per meter, and this system is actually designed and made entirely in Singapore. With that, a lot of attention is placed on the safety of the system. Apart from the prevention of overloading, because the track can actually handle 32 amps of power, there's also a lot of safety feature, fingerproof opening, grounded enclosure with grounded shields. Even the conductors inside are actively shielded and grounded. The adapters themselves also have a safety feature. They have a unique lock and key system which only when fully engaged will allow you to turn the switch on. When not properly engaged, the switch is locked. Even when putting it the other way around, you'll find that it's locked. When you manage to turn on the adapter, you'll find that it's also locked in place. Safety first, switch off before removing or repositioning. As the tracks are made in Singapore, for Singaporean customers, you are able to customize the track to any length. Yes, I mean really any length, up to the millimeter. Just let us know what length, or we'll measure the length for you, and it can be customized very quickly. Apart from having customized lengths, we also have customized finishes. Here is the standard color, black hairline anodized, followed by Spanish black marble, Brazilian rosewood, rustic gold, American spruce, white leather, silver hairline, and Indian white marble. With this variety of finishes, you can then accommodate or fit it to any concept that you're going for in your home. And it doesn't look industrial at all, because now you can blend and contrast to your liking. The Line8 power track system has also an interesting feature. For those that are considering installing this in public spaces, the challenge is always to keep the adapters safe. As easy as it is to be removed, sometimes they go missing. With our system, the facility owner can have a key that you can lock. Once the system is locked, you'll find that the plugs now cannot be removed from the track. They can, however, be repositioned with full on and off switch control. With a simple turn of the key, you can now add or remove adapters as and when you like. There are many other features that are available on the Line8 power track system. One that is more popular would be the USB charging feature. This can be fitted together with the power track to provide you the convenience of charging your phone, tablet, and in the near future, even laptops from the USB charging port, all conveniently housed in one continuous track. Apart from this, we also have data and multimedia sockets like the HDMI, the VGA, the USB, and many more. We even have IoT built into the track, with a Wi-Fi module fitted behind this, with a satin stainless steel switch to on and off the system as a hardware bypass. This system can be controlled via an app on the phone or by your Google Assistant, Amazon Alexa, or Siri even. You can set schedules and set scenes and even monitor the power consumption with this module. As this system is made in Singapore and also developed here, we pay a lot of attention to the finishing, the materials, and the safety of the overall system. I believe that the Line8 power track is the safest and most premium system that we have in the market today. Safety first, we have the actively grounded shields, the finger-proof opening, the lock and key system of the adapters and the tracks, and even the mechanically shielded conductors that are in the track. Apart from all that, the adapters are also made from a very special resin we call PBT, which is fireproof, heatproof, even chemical proof. It's not like your normal plastic. Even our aluminium is specially coated. We call it hard anodized. It's a very premium yet durable finish that will stand the test of time. Don't take my word for it. We have developed this and we are very proud of that. I'm just going to use another piece of aluminium and let's make some scratches. As you can see, it's quite badly damaged. But fret not, the coating on it is very, very hard. With a little abrasive sponge, or you can use green wool. you can clean off the scratch. Look, as good as new. The Line8 power track is also prepared for the future. Apart from just distributing and replacing power sockets for AC power, there is also a built-in DC power distribution system inside. So this one track is prepared for green energy, solar panels, renewable power, and you can distribute this DC power all around your house to power DC powered devices directly without conversion. It's already all built into every track. All you need to do is input a DC supply. The track can carry both AC and DC at the same time. We even have a surge protector system that is able to plug in to the track and protect your equipment from power surges. The Line8 power track does have two different types of mounting method. The surface, which mounts directly on the wall, carpentry, tiles, glass, masonry, wall, drywall, almost anything. We also do have the recessed model, which is able to mount into carpentry, drywall, and it will sit flush to the surface, just like this one. In summary, the Line8 power track system is ideal for applications like these. In the kitchen, it takes away the guesswork of having to determine the number of power sockets you need at the point of construction, as now new sockets can be added for new appliances easily within seconds. Having the power track across your countertop means that you can position appliances anywhere along the counter without having wires running across your kitchen. As this system is rated for very high 32 amp power, it will prevent overloading even though you use many appliances together at the same time. It also almost mounts on any surface, from walls to kitchen tiles, solid surface, marble, or even glass. This entire system will add value and functionality into any kitchen, making any design modern and functional. The TV console is also another interesting place to implement the Line8 power track system, as this allows you to add equipment freely without overloading. We are also able to integrate with AV accessories such as HDMI and USB, extending it to the front where it's accessible and has that lifestyle element of plugging in to your television from right where it's accessible, like your power track. This adds convenience and also saves wiring costs. The study is the next logical place to implement the Line8 power track system, as this allows you to add new sockets for new equipment easily by adding an adapter. This also prevents overloading and allow you to plug in equipment anywhere along the desk, which adds convenience. The bedside table is also a good place to implement the Line8 power track system, as it adds convenience by allowing you to plug in power chargers and devices conveniently beside the bed. This adds a lifestyle element and keeps the bedside neat and tidy. Line8 is not just for the home, it is also for offices where it is great for conference tables, workstations, and the pantry. We believe that the Line8 power track is the new way to plug in. Replacing the conventional power socket, This gives you the flexibility and modularity over power sockets like never before. It is also more convenient, safer, and looks great in any home or office. I really hope this has been helpful to you. Thank you very much for viewing.